On to some news that's breaking this minute. The Delhi-Noida border has been sealed as a preventive measure by the District Magistrate of Noida. The move comes in a day after a similar measure was taken at the Delhi-Ghaziabad border as well. Now in Noida, the number of COVID cases have reached 102. The movement of only essential services will now be allowed. Let me go across to my colleague Alok, who's joining me on the phone line. Alok, we know that the number of cases in Noida has been increasing, and in the past a few weeks we'd also seen measures such as sealing also taking place in Noida. So how important will this step be in sealing the Delhi-Noida border to further contain the situation?
Well, Apurva, this happened what we can say that second administration has done this. Earlier, Ghaziabad administration did this. Now, Noida administration has done this. They are doing it just as a precautionary basis because they want to ensure that the people who are coming from Delhi they are not bringing coronavirus, because in the notification which they issued yesterday, which the Noida administration issued yesterday night, it has clearly mentioned that because of the movement of people between Noida and Delhi, the coronavirus is spreading, and this is the reason that they are now going to seal properly, that completely seal the border, Noida border. Only some special movements will be allowed that include ambulances, that the doctors, ambulances, media personnel are allowed only with the passes, and the government officials with the passes issued from their respective departments. So this is the whole restrictions what the Noida administration did.
Right.
Remember, in the Noida, around 100 cases has already been reported. So daily number of cases are increasing. So that is why they have decided to implement this order.
All right, Alok, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those updates. Let me also bring in my colleague Sherin, who's joining me live this morning, getting us those updates there. Sherin, good morning. And this is another step that is being taken at this point to further curb the spread of coronavirus in sealing the borders completely. Take us through the details of the kind of impact you're seeing on ground.
Well, there is a huge traffic that is being witnessed here at the DND flyover. The people who are trying to enter from Delhi to Noida are being strictly checked. All their documents are being checked, and because of the strict checking, there is a lot of confusion and chaos that is being witnessed on ground. Most of the essential service providers are the only people who are allowed, and today, in fact, the media personals are in fact exempted, but they have to apply for the fresh passes. Then only they will be getting entry into Noida. So there, from Noida to Delhi, if you are moving from Noida to Delhi, there's a smooth process. There is no stoppage as such. But if you are coming from Delhi to Noida, there is a strict checking that is happening at the DND flyover. Many of the people who work in Delhi and are coming back from a night shift and coming back to Noida have in fact been stopped, and they have been asked to go back. So there is a little bit of confusion, but the cops here has been saying that hopefully by tomorrow the process will be smooth.
Sherin, very quickly, the movement of essential goods and services will remain open. If you can help us understand which are the services that are going to remain open, because we also see the kind of traffic jam that you're showing us. Perhaps a lot of people are still not aware of which are the essential services, and that is why they're still trying to take that route towards the other side.
Well, that is right, because this order came late last night by the DM of Gautam Budh Nagar, and that is why there's a lot of confusion. A number of people who have been going inside Noida with the old passes have once again come here. They have been saying that these were the passes that were allowed till yesterday, and today they have been denied entry. So some of them are arguing with the cops. Some of them have been saying that this pass was in fact valid till yesterday. So what happened? So clearly this is because of the late night night order that has come in place. And that is why we are seeing a bit of confusion here. Other than that, in the essential services, the doctors, media personals, and also the heavy vehicles that contains the goods that will be supplied into Noida are allowed, but there is a very strict checking that is going on in order to make sure that no much movement from Delhi is entering Noida, because the health department of Uttar Pradesh has in fact suggested and given an advice that people who are doing a to-fro from Noida to Delhi are the ones who have been infected, and in order to contain the spread, it is very important that the border should be sealed and there should be no movement from Delhi to Noida or Delhi to Uttar Pradesh for that matter.
All right, Sharon, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those ground reports there coming in from the Delhi-Noida border, which has now been sealed. Only essential services will be allowed. We have some news that's breaking.